The interior of the 911 Sport Classic is a true testament to its sophistication and exclusivity, with a design that seamlessly continues from the outside in. As you step into the cabin, the eye-catching illuminated 911 Sport Classic lettering, crafted from light silver aluminum trims, instantly sets the tone for the level of luxury you can expect. Complementing this grand entrance are the heritage design floor mats, which add a touch of elegance and refinement to the interior. One of the standout features of the interior is the semi-aniline leather upholstery in black and classic cognac. This two-tone combination provides a stunning contrast to the exterior and truly makes a statement. This type of leather, which was previously seen in the 918 Spyder, is known for its natural appearance and soft feel, as only a thin layer of paint is applied to protect it, allowing the natural texture of the leather to show through. Further enhance the natural look, the Paldao dark open-pore interior package comes standard. Another iconic feature of the interior is the Pepita houndstooth pattern, which can be found on the door panels and seat centers. This pattern, which is comprised of small squares connected by diagonal stripes, made its first appearance in 1965 as an official option in a Porsche 911 and has been used several times throughout the years as a nod to Porsche's rich history. The modern instrument cluster also pays homage to Porsche's heritage, with its high-resolution 7-inch displays and classic-style needle for the analog rev counter. Throughout the interior, the historic Porsche crest can be found, as well as other details that showcase the extraordinary craftsmanship behind the design. For example, the headrests of the adaptive sports seats plus, the GT Sports steering wheel, and the embossed Porsche exclusive manufacturer logo on the storage compartment lid all demonstrate the level of care and attention that has been put into the design of this vehicle. To further emphasize its exclusivity, a gold-colored limited edition badge with the personalized vehicle number is positioned on the trim panel above the glove compartment. Other areas of the interior are also upholstered in leather, such as the sun visor and the steering column trim, while the standard additional interior packages in leather for the dashboard and door panels provide a high-quality finish. Finally, the car's key, which is painted in the same color as the exterior and comes in a leather case matching the interior, as well as the leather vehicle document folder, are just some of the many touches that make the 911 Sport Classic a truly special vehicle.